In this explainer, we're going to show you exactly how to complete your required biennial update within this new streamlined system. Whether you operate as an interstate motor carrier, an intrastate carrier with a hazardous materials safety permit, or an intermodal equipment provider, this walkthrough will clarify exactly what you need to do.
Let's briefly look at our agenda. We'll cover an introduction to Motus, the biennial update process, certifying business information, submitting annual mileage, making required updates, and providing supporting documentation.
Section 1. Introduction to Motus and your customer account page. Motus is the centralized USDOT registration platform designed specifically for the commercial motor vehicle community. The name actually comes from the Latin word for movement or progress. This is a perfect fit because it serves as your digital home base for managing accounts, registrations, and all the filings required to keep your business moving forward. The platform is built completely around your customer account page, acting as your central command center. This is where all your vital information lives, where you process updates, add registrations, and securely check the status of any pending applications. You'll notice the interface uses a highly efficient accordion-style layout. This design lets you easily expand or collapse specific tabs depending on what you actually need to see or edit. And because we know you're always on the move, Motus is fully optimized for your smartphone or tablet. This makes keeping up to date easier than ever, no matter where you are. Section 2. The Biennial Update Process and Expanding the Accordion. When the time comes to verify your compliance data, simply navigate to your dashboard and expand the Biennial Update Information tab.
Inside this section, you get a clear, concise summary of your current status. You'll see your upcoming biennial due date, the date of your last update, as well as the mileage and year you previously reported. Once you've reviewed that snapshot, just click the blue Start button to initiate the update. Completing the biennial update itself is a quick, straightforward 3-step process, and there is absolutely no cost to complete it. First, you certify your business information. Second, you certify your company operations. And third, you add your recent mileage. Section 3. Certifying business information, which is step 1. This step is entirely focused on verifying the foundational data that keeps your operations compliant and authorized.
Looking at your main workflow screen, you'll want to select the View to Certify option. Take a brief moment to confirm that your current information on file is perfectly accurate. Once you are confident it's correct, select I certify this is correct.
As soon as you do that, the pop-up immediately closes. The name of the specific user who certified the data appears right next to the business information step, along with a timestamp. This instantly creates a transparent, verifiable record of your compliance.
You'll then follow that exact same process to certify your company operations. Just review the relevant details and select I certify this is correct. Once both your business information and company operations are successfully certified, the blue Start button under the Biennial Update heading unlocks and becomes clickable.
Section 4. Submitting annual mileage and finalizing the process. Now it's time to accurately input your most recent mileage and the corresponding mileage year. Just type the correct figures into the required fields on the digital interface. After that, click Next to move smoothly on to the final compliance certifications and the required oath.
Once you finish that step, you'll be routed safely back to your main customer account page. You'll immediately see your newly updated biennial due date displayed along with your officially recorded mileage data. Congratulations! You have successfully submitted your biennial update.
But wait, what happens if you realize your business information or company operations actually need to be changed during this process? Don't worry, Motus is purposefully built to handle those necessary adjustments smoothly. Let's walk through exactly how you make those updates.
Section 5. Making required updates and changing your information. If your foundational details are outdated, instead of clicking to certify, you will select the blue Update button. This action safely opens up your existing business information for necessary edits. Keep in mind that certain specific changes, like updating a legal name if you hold operating authority, will trigger the standard $14 processing fee. Motus will automatically generate a secure payment screen if a fee applies to your situation. While these specific business information changes do require a verification review by the FMCSA, that review process will absolutely not delay the credit you receive for finishing your biennial update.
Section 6. Supporting documentation and speeding up verification. Whenever you change critical foundational details like your legal name or employer identification number, Motus allows you to provide supporting documents directly in the system.
You can easily upload standard verification items like your articles of incorporation or official IRS confirmation letters. Supplying these official documents up front is a fantastic way to proactively accelerate the FMCSA business verification review process.
As you make your necessary updates, Motus operates seamlessly in the background to guarantee you are assigned the correct classifications and registrations. It handles your compliance certifications, your oaths, and even your required fee payments, all within one integrated, secure environment.
Importantly, even if you currently have a pending application for operating authority, you'll still be able to complete your biennial update without a hitch. The platform is specifically designed to maintain your operational compliance without unnecessarily interrupting your business. That wraps up our explainer on completing a biennial update in Motus. With compliance simplified, what new goals will your fleet pursue next?